Older automatic transmissions feature manual gear override positions that give drivers direct control over gear selection. These include L for low, 2 for second, and D3 for drive 3. L gear forces the transmission to stay locked in first gear only. This provides maximum torque multiplication and engine braking power. The 2 position limits the transmission to first and second gears only. This prevents upshifting beyond second gear, balancing power and efficiency. D3 restricts the transmission to the first 3 gears, excluding overdrive. This maintains higher RPM for better throttle response and acceleration. These gear ratios determine how engine power is multiplied. A higher ratio like 3.78 to 1 means the engine turns nearly 4 times for each wheel rotation, providing maximum torque. These manual gear override positions are becoming less common in modern vehicles as intelligent transmission systems automatically optimize gear selection for different driving conditions. Modern vehicles have evolved beyond traditional L, 2, and D3 gears, replacing them with sophisticated electronic systems and specialized driving modes. Sport mode replaces the traditional D3 function by holding gears longer and maintaining higher RPM for better performance and responsiveness. Tow haul mode provides the functionality of traditional L and 2 gears, optimizing the transmission for heavy loads and steep grades while preventing overheating. Modern terrain modes automatically adjust gear selection based on driving conditions, providing the benefits of manual gear control without driver intervention. Proper usage is critical for vehicle safety and longevity. Never exceed 35 to 40 miles per hour in L gear to avoid serious engine damage. Using L gear unnecessarily can reduce fuel economy by 20 to 35%, while D3 mode typically decreases efficiency by 8 to 12% compared to overdrive. Regular maintenance is crucial for transmission longevity. Service your transmission every 30,000 to 60,000 miles and monitor fluid temperature. Proper gear usage can extend transmission life by 15 to 25%. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving. By 2030, experts predict that 60% of new vehicles will have electrified powertrains, significantly reducing the need for traditional manual gear control as intelligent systems take over.